find your way. So set yourself free and go. Sing such a song with all your life, and you'll never have to sing again. Love such a one with all your heart, and you will never need to love again. Walk such a path with all your faith, and you will never have to wander again. Pray such a prayer with all your heart, and you will never have to pray again. Give yourself to such a guru, and you'll never have to seek again. Die such a death